Hey there, welcome to No Recipe Required. I'm going to do another review of a Medifast meal. This one is chicken with rice and veggies. Medifast, they're all about diet, which I could use a little bit of for sure, but I'm also all about taste, and that's primarily what I'm going to be evaluating here. This chicken and rice is 300 calories. The meals come fully prepped, ready to pop in the microwave. They're also shelf stable, so you can just like stick them in a closet. You don't have to refrigerate them. They don't go bad. I'm sure eventually they go bad, but they don't go bad in a reasonable amount of time. So we're gonna go ahead and show you how to prep this, heat it up. I'm gonna taste it, see how it does. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and unwrap our chicken with rice and vegetables. Directions always say take this plastic wrapper, put a few holes in it. That's to allow the steam to escape. Microwave it on high for 90 seconds or until hot. That's it. Let's go do it. All right, so we just microwaved, heated up our chicken with vegetables and rice. There's a lot more liquid in here than I expected. This almost looks like a soup, which it may be intended to be. So let's take a look. Obviously, you could eat it right inside the in the package. This, this to me definitely looks like a soup. I can see red bell pepper in there, chunks of chicken. I don't see a lot of rice yet, but let's go ahead, plate it up in our little bowl here. Kind of looks like the inside of a chicken pot pie. Oops, there we go. And like I said, you can definitely see the red bell pepper. Let's clean up our plate a little bit. See our red bell pepper in there, some maybe mushroom, some chunks of chicken. Again, it's not a rice dish, certainly. That rice is just kind of melded in there. Let's go ahead, I'm gonna snap a couple pictures and then we're gonna give it a taste. All right, let's go ahead and give our Medifast chicken, what do we call it? Chicken with rice and vegetables. To me, this looks, looks very much like a stew. It eats like a stew. The sauce, the sauce is a little gelatinous, but it tastes okay. The vegetables, surprisingly, still have a little bit of crunch and a little bite to them. The chicken is decent as well too. I mean, it's kind of dry. It's not as great as a fresh cooked meal, obviously. I kind of give this one a sideways. I don't think I would order it again. But it doesn't taste bad. It's kind of a consistency, and it didn't really hit my expectations of a rice dish. This is definitely more of a stew than a chicken with rice and vegetables. So go ahead and give it a try. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to leave a comment, and I will see you next time on No Recipe Required. All right, guys. So that was Medifast Flavors of Home Chicken with Rice and Vegetables. Again, I'd call this one a stew, a chicken stew, almost again like pot pie filling. Wasn't bad, just wasn't necessarily my thing, didn't really meet the expectations, so I'd give it, again, kind of a mediocre rating. Don't forget to subscribe, check out the links in the description if you want to try it, and I will see you next time on No Recipe Required.